Check it out, I got one running. Not sure why it's clicking, but the drive's moving good. Fuck, I'll take it, man. I'm gonna load, this is pretty rough on the drive, trying to load synchro mesh, and then I'm gonna run a speed test, but shit, dude. Unbelievable. So I resoldered the entire motherboard, reflowed it. There was a lot of points when I added solder, it just sucked it in and I had to keep adding it. There was no joke, and it wasn't just the SIO port either. So, no joke on these weren't soldered very well. Wow, sweet. Let's load gtrpm.com. And I think they said the speed is supposed to be 300 on these, not 288, 287 as opposed to the other ones. Hope this thing hangs in there. I didn't recap it either. And if it does need a speed test, then I'll have to pull up the schematic and figure out where that adjustment is. This probably isn't the... As long as it gives me an RPM. See, I knew it was going to say it's too fast, but that's perfect for this drive. 287 is 286, 287, 289. Right in there is the 1050s and the other ones. Happies. Sweet, it is speed tested. Sweet. All right, I'm gonna go back and resolder that other one. Where is he? Somewhere around here. I replaced the CPU on that. That's good. All right, I'm gonna go back and redo that one. Sweetness! Woo! I guess I am a disk drive repair guy after all.